Take a deep breath in, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, bring your right fingertips to the mat and lift your left hand up to the sky in balancing half moon. Flex your left foot and reach up. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, bring your left hand down to the mat and step back to runner's lunge. Inhale, sweep your right hand up to the sky. Exhale, roll onto the outside of your left foot and come into side plank. Inhale, reach up through your fingertips. Exhale, step your top foot back to Wild Thing. Inhale, lift your hips up. Exhale, come back to plank and press back to Downward Dog.